So when I got off of work at 5 in the morning last night or this morning, the van wouldn't start. It's a 2001 Mazda MPV. It was 47 degrees or something like that outside, it's usually never that cold. So the van wouldn't start. And we're going to try to start it now. And now, of course, it starts right up. But, it doesn't show you. The thing about the van is it doesn't show you what gear it's on. It engages, no problem, but, it's not even showing you what gear it's on. Some people say it's the crankshaft sensor. Some other people say it's the camshaft sensor. And some other people say it's the neutral switch relay. So I'm gonna take it to the shop. And, I just took it to the shop before and they put a new starter in. I thought it was the starter. So I spent $200. And, well, let's go see if they can fix it. Well, I just came back from the shop, and guess what? My shifting display is now there. So, the guy was saying it was some sort of battery connection. Because I had changed the starter with them before, so he really didn't think it was the neutral, the switch. So here's the old one. He was saying the bushing on the inside was all worn out. There's a bushing in there. So that was all worn out. He gave it to me as a souvenir, but yeah. But now my the shifter shows up, which it didn't do that before. So hopefully that fixed the problem. The van, now it shows whatever shifting, what gear it's on. They said the neutral one might not pop up all the time, but it's there. So that's great. I think that was the problem, was the neutral switch. So in summary, at the mechanic, he said the P1512, P1512 manufacturer control showed up when he was running the diagnostic test. But long story short, the fix for my van, for the 2001 Mazda MPV, it wouldn't turn on. It wouldn't do like a click, 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 click sound. It wasn't turning over. The fix for my van was the neutral safety switch, which is also called the inhibitor switch. So yeah, if it's not your starter, it's not your battery. It wasn't the starter for me. It wasn't my battery. I was sure of it. I knew there was something else. So through Google search, not even the mechanic didn't even want to believe me that I suggested it was a neutral safety switch, because I had researched it online. So that was my fix, the neutral safety switch, which is also the inhibitor switch. And that fixed my Mazda MPV, which was not starting. So I'm hoping this will help some of you out there. Thanks for watching, and well, all the best. Thanks again. Please subscribe to my channel, hit like, and yeah, all the best to you.